Hey guys, it's Tori from Calypso Creative Planning. Happy Friday. For this week's Digital Plan With Me video, I have got an Arcane Beauty themed weekly spread. This kind of gears us up for Halloween while pulls in the purples for this month's theme. So check it out. All right, so this is my Arcane Beauty 1 month planner, and the purple goes great with this month's book lover theme while showcasing a different collection. And this is the matching big sticker book, and I'm so excited to share this weekly spread with you guys because when I created it, I had this idea for how to use the corner notes from this collection, and I haven't shown you this yet. I don't think I've shown you this at all, so I'm really excited about showing you this. So I took a solid color and I just filled in the weekly header boxes, I guess that's what you call them, down the side. And instead of dating it, I guess you could say normally, with putting maybe like abbreviations or using one of the weekly border stickers, I wanted to use the corner notes. So I had this idea of layering up the corner notes and then the numbers for the dates. And I want it to, in the end, it's going to go on top of that little gray box over there. But I'm using the edge of it right now to kind of line up everything. And I'm going to pull in the numbers next, and I'm doing it off to the side so I can still see the lines and make sure everything is like exactly where I want it. And once I get the numbers all placed and I've got the days all placed, then I can just move it over on top of that little border strip, and it's a completely different look. I feel like this is like the first time I ever did a weekly spread like this, and I love it. And I haven't used my corner notes in quite a while. I only have, I think, maybe 3 sets of these corner notes for different collections. But here's a little teaser for the October collection, because yes, I'm already working on the October collection because I have some off time next week with the hubby. So I'm trying to get as much done ahead of time as I can. And I know you guys get the early access thing for the subscription, so yes, I'm working on October. But here's a little teaser for October. Instead of our regular paper notes, you're getting a set of corner notes, and it's just because I haven't used these in so long, and they're just really fun and really pretty. And the set comes with like 6 different colors to use, and I just love it. Okay, so that is your little teaser, just kind of throwing that in there. So for this part, I decided to use one of the semi-transparent boxes so that I can get the color on the page but still see the lines. And this is going to be kind of like the area for like events and like appointments, reminders, that type of thing. So I'm going to use this sticker Plan on it for the header, and this just gives me kind of like that designated spot to put those. And I'll throw on some other boxes on there in a little bit. You'll see that, well, in a little bit. I know I said that twice, but so using these little header stickers, it's a fun way to, spice up the page, make things look a little different. And speaking of spice, let's go to this sticker book. This is the Welcome to the Fuckery quotes book, and I've got a few different versions of this. This is the Arcane Beauty edition, so you can see it matches the purple and the gold and the black from that collection, and it's a little spicy, a little saucy, and a lot of fun. So I decided I didn't need this important box, so I would just cover it up with a quote and I'm just stretching it out because we're in GoodNotes. We can stretch this. If another planning app allows you to stretch photos, let me know. I don't think so. I think GoodNotes is the only one that does that. We'll come back to this. This is the mini calendars for that subscription. We'll come back to those. The reason why I looked at that is because I wanted to create a little border area down at the bottom of the page. This is the standard sticker book that goes along with this Arcane Beauty collection. And see this little area down here for the mini calendar? Well, I had this idea to just kind of fill in this whole thing and use it for the mini calendar as well as the creativity challenge that goes along with the subscription. And this, in case I didn't say this, in case you don't know it, this collection came out with the May subscription. So that's why you're seeing May as, you know, some little accents. So this is the mini calendar set that comes with the mini bundle in the subscription. It's exclusive to the subscription. And so is this. This is the creativity challenge. I've gotten a lot of questions about the creativity challenge. It's a set of weekly prompts throughout the entire month, and they all are different every month. Every week is different. It's a sticker set. So it gives you like prompts to do something creative or to try something creative. And it's just to spark some ideas, just to give you something a little fun to do. And so I thought this would be a fun area to put that on my weekly calendar. Not my weekly calendar. The weekly spread, the weekly planning page, not calendar. I don't know. I need more coffee. But I thought this would be a fun way to include that as like a little reminder, like, hey, this is what we're doing this week. So that was cool. And for this one, I wanted to layer up some stuff and give you some ideas on how you could use these little pre-layered, but why am I using finger quotes? You guys can't see that, but these are like pre-layered sticker. I did it again. So you've got like the decorative background layered up with the simple box. And so I'm just doing more layering. So I layered like this little washi background, and then I've got a header sticker, and that's just a fun way to use those and play around with those. They make great appointment things, so you can like put them on your schedule. So it's already gives you that layered look without having to actually think about, you know, how to layer. And then I thought this little slashy line thing would be fun to separate the weekdays from the weekend, because you guys know I am a Monday start girl, so it's gonna, you know, separate those, keep my weekends together. That makes sense to me. And here is where I'm giving myself like places to actually write reminders and appointments. These I think were mostly like editorial type of things, like the videos and blog posts and stuff like that. But this is a fun way to kind of like keep your appointments and things like that separate while giving you like space to write your tasks and things that you're doing each day. And then your appointments are kind of like off to the side, right? That's kind of what I was going for. And let's throw on some other notes. So this is the note pages set. Well, one of them, I think there's like 3 sets that go along with this collection. And I'm just gonna once again layer up some elements here. So I've got the paper, and then I'm gonna grab a piece of washi and a paper clip and a box, a little, you know, note box, and it gives me like this layered up look. Oh, and a glittery circle thing. So layering is so much fun, and it gives you like a different look. Oh, I squished that. But it gives you like a different look and a way to play around with stickers and use stickers in different ways, and not just go with, okay, this is how it is in the sticker book. You know, no, let's do something different. Let's play around and like try different things, layer up stuff. So see, I'm layering up the note page with the paper clip, so it looks like it's clipped into my planner, and then you've got the washi. And I couldn't decide what box I wanted to use at first, so that's why I was going back and forth. But I feel like I didn't edit this part out because I thought that would give you guys a good look at, you know, some of the other stuff in the collection, because, I mean, that's a lot of stuff in there. I forgot how pretty those little day headers are. Those are lovely. We should use those again. Does anyone else feel like you have so many stickers that you just don't even know where to start? Like, you just have so many stickers, you can't possibly use them all. Like, because you just have so many. That's where I'm at. Like, I feel bad for the stickers in my sticker collection that have not been used nearly enough. I know they're inanimate objects, but I feel bad for them. We have to use them. Anyways, weird tangent. Okay, so cutting and pasting so that this little note can go on top of the little glittery circle. And once again, it's just all about layering. And I'm going to throw on, what else? Another little washi element, because I like to sprinkle these little accessories around because it makes it feel, I don't know, like less digital and more real. And I like that. I like that look, right? So I'm going to throw some washi on there. And I think that's it. I think that is it for this spread. It is lovely. I like it. And I'll give you links in the description for all the background accessories you see here. And then let's take a look at this week's releases. So go check those out in the shop, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.